Welcome back to Foodie in your 30s. I'm Jaden, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Okay, today I woke up in the mood for some banana bread. So let's go ahead into the kitchen and make my famous, well, my friends call it famous, my famous banana bread. Okay, first things first, we are going to mash those bananas. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and add in our butter. Now, some people use oil, and I have used oil before, but I think the butter gives it this richness. It's really nice flavor. I also already added the egg. I just don't know what happened to the video for that. Went ahead and added some vanilla and some brown sugar. I have used coconut sugar before and regular sugar, but I think brown sugar just gives it, a different kind of flavor, really tasty. Then we're gonna add in our cinnamon. Once that's mixed through, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside and prepare our flour with just a little bit of salt and baking soda. Then we're gonna mix it all together in with our wet ingredients. Now, once the mixture is prepared, the last thing to do is to add in our chocolate chips. Here you can also add walnuts or pecans or any kind of nuts, but for now, I just went ahead and just added some chocolate chips. Then just pour it into my prepared pan. Then we're gonna bake it for about an hour at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. And that's pretty much it. So here we have my banana bread. Go ahead and take a look at that. All that's left to do is to give this a try. Let's go ahead and take a bite. It just keeps getting better. It's soft, it's moist, the chocolate just melts in your mouth. This is amazing. Well, that's all for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. What did you think of the video? And I will see you next time.